Raise your hand if you're done with backbreaking firewood chores. The Oak Series wood splitter is here to save the day. And you're back. 25 tons of power and a 6-second cycle time? Yeah, it's that good. Say goodbye to sweat and hello to effortless firewood. A majestic pine towers over a pristine blanket of snow. The crisp air crackles with anticipation. The moment this giant yields to gravity, that's a spectacle you won't want to miss. Battling those monstrous stumps? The custom stump splitter from Sunrise. Excavating is your one-man wrecking crew. This powerhouse delivers demolition-grade force, turning those stubborn giants into mulch. It's time to reclaim your land and say goodbye to those pesky roots. The RSL UK 16-inch Mark II. Tree shear is a game-changer in forestry equipment. Its powerful grip and precise cutting action offer unparalleled control, even when dealing with the toughest hardwoods. With full 360-degree rotation and the ability to operate at lower pressures, this shear maximizes efficiency without sacrificing power. Built to last with high-quality components, it's an investment that will pay off for years to come. There's a certain beauty in watching raw logs being processed into lumber. The scale and efficiency of these operations are a testament to years of refinement in the industry. It's a reminder of how far we've come in terms of technology and resource management. Gisborne, strategically located on New Zealand's North Island, presents an ideal opportunity for afforestation initiatives. Its favorable climate fosters rapid tree growth, while its moderately sloped terrain facilitates efficient planting and harvesting operations. The region's well-established forestry infrastructure and proximity to a world-class port further enhance its suitability for timber export. I bet this is a first for you all. This Caterpillar 309CR is sporting a saw and a grapple. It can reach up high to trim branches and then scoop up all the mess. Pretty clever, huh? What do you think? And that's a wrap on today's woodworking adventure. Until next time, keep those blades sharp and your projects even sharper.
This is what people do for fun, yeah.
Even seasoned tree felling experts know, one careless moment can lead to devastating consequences, both physically and financially.
Oh my god. I hit you hard, dude.
The combination of the John Deere 1270G and the H415 harvester head creates a powerhouse in forestry harvesting. With its robust engine and intelligent control systems, the 1270G excels in optimizing performance across various forest conditions. Paired with the H415's multi-tree feed rollers and single-speed motor, this setup ensures top efficiency and durability, even in the toughest environments. The 1270G costs around $500,000, and the H415 comes in at approximately $70,000. Whoa, check out those massive logs being transported. They've got to weigh almost 100 tons, right? Even the strongest trucks can't handle those steep hills alone. Tractors to the rescue. Isn't this intense to watch? Got stump issues? Say goodbye to them with the Woodland Mills WG24PTO stump grinder. With its 24-inch grinding wheel and 34 tungsten carbide teeth, it grinds stumps up to 6 inches deep, making it ideal for landscaping, farming, or even construction projects. Plus, the quick hitch design and slip clutch PTO shaft make setup a breeze, especially for tractors ranging from 15 to 45 horsepower. If you're looking for efficiency and precision, this grinder delivers. Here we are, a skilled lumberjack, a steel chainsaw, and a massive cedar tree. The recipe for excitement. The crisp sound of the saw, the cracking of wood, and the moment the giant falls. Amazing. Wow, the truck seemed to glide over the terrain with perfect control, navigating the landscape as if it was part of the natural flow. This video underscores the vital importance of proper safety equipment and vigilance when felling trees. The consequences could have been unthinkable without that helmet. Nothing stops the Bieszczady 2009. The precision driving through thick mud showcases the perfect synergy between technical skill and raw machine power. It's a true testament to engineering and driving expertise. This sawmill is like a magician, pulling perfect planks out of massive logs while leaving barely a whisper of sawdust behind. It's the lumberjack's dream, the environmentalist's delight, and the accountant's best friend. So, if you're ready to turn your timber operation into a profit-making machine, the WB2000 is your golden ticket. Oh my goodness, I am so geeked out right now. That stump removal was epic. The sound, the sight. It was all just so mesmerizing. The felling of such a colossal tree necessitates a high degree of expertise and meticulous calculation. From the ascent to the pruning and the clearing, each phase is laden with potential hazards. Finally, the giant was conquered. If the forest were a chessboard, the Ecolog 590E would be your queen, making strategic moves with unmatched versatility. The Logmax 7000? That's your rook, a formidable force clearing the path to victory. Together, they form an unstoppable checkmate, ensuring your timber operation reigns supreme. Game, set, match. To you and your thriving forestry business. the timber world had a hall of fame, brick sawmills would be front and center. These workhorses have been around for over 150 years, proving their worth in workshops and lumber yards everywhere. Ever felt like David facing Goliath, but with a chainsaw and a really big tree? Don't worry, we've got this. Call in the cavalry, your neighbor and their trusty tractor. Make a few strategic cuts and bam! Physics wins again. Who needs muscles when you've got brains? Conquering challenging roads, Ford Cargo 3230 demonstrates its unwavering endurance and extraordinary strength. Coupled with the exceptional skill of its driver, it commands awe and admiration from all who witness its prowess. Outlander versus tree stumps? Outlander wins. Seriously though, this is awesome. But remember folks, safety first. Only try this with dead stumps and decayed roots. Let's keep those Outlanders, and our yards, in one piece. Whoa, check this out. We've stumbled upon a real game changer. I used to think huge logs belonged at the sawmill, but this guy and his Holzforma G888 are turning that notion on its head. Slicing through a massive oak like it's butter. With 8.7 horsepower packed into just 11.6 kilograms, it's the definition of a portable sawmill. Forget chainsaws. This thing is a lumberjack's fantasy made real. Oh my god, what a close call. I didn't think cutting down trees could be this scary. The PSP pole and post peeler represents a significant advancement in log processing efficiency. Its capacity to handle logs of varying sizes, combined with its impressive processing speed, positions it as a valuable asset for any operation seeking to optimize productivity. Moorbark's innovative design ensures a superior finish, further enhancing its appeal. Honestly, I'm still confused about why the base of the tree was on fire and why the guy decided to cut it down while it was still burning. Can someone please explain this to me? Leave a comment below and help me out. Oh my god, my worst nightmare has come true. Thank goodness no one was hurt. Holy smokes. With this 630 horsepower Ahui RT, 800 mulcher beast on the scene, that unlucky stump picked the wrong fight. If you think all chainsaws are the same, watch this video and be amazed by these monsters. With V8 engines and massive blades, this will be the most exciting thing you see today. Amidst the snowy expanse of Granite Falls, Washington, a 1973 Kenworth logging truck stands out like a classic work of art. The truck exudes a vintage charm, a testament to the durability and quality of old-school craftsmanship. LogMax 6000B is a powerful wood harvester designed to optimize forestry operations. With its ability to handle large trees, advanced hydraulic system, and durable construction, it increases productivity in the woods, reduces maintenance costs, and improves harvesting yields. The MB-R900 drum cutter. It is intended for the precise machining of natural materials, rock and stone. Thus, using it on a stump is like to bringing a bazooka to a knife duel. But wow, is it satisfying to see it work? Sure, the old-timers will spin a yarn about white-knuckle drives through mountain passes, but ask them what they really miss, and it's the simple stuff. The rumble of a cab over, the smell of diesel and pine needles on a hot summer day, watching the windrows turn in the fields. Those are the memories that stick with them, long after they are hung up your keys. If you liked the video, let us know by leaving a 1 in the comments. It would mean the world to us. Check out this beastly wood harvester, the HE 93.1 Koenig Tiger. It cuts down the thickest trees with precision, using a second set of arms to gently lay them down without damaging the surrounding area. The driver's seat adjusts for comfort, and the machine stays level on hills. It's like a giant, careful lumberjack on tracks, proving that harvesting wood can be done sustainably. Witness the awe-inspiring power of this colossal 56-inch circular saw. Even after 50 years of service, its resilience and capability remain unmatched. Watch as it effortlessly slices through a massive 14-foot-long, 33-inch diameter cottonwood tree, a testament to its enduring legacy. I'll be honest, Komatsu has once again raised the bar in forestry equipment. The 895's performance in snowy conditions is a testament to their engineering prowess. Operator comfort and safety remain paramount, ensuring optimal productivity even in challenging environments. This machine is a clear leader in its class. Anyone in forestry knows, speed isn't the only factor. The Yaoi RT800 Raptor's strength lies in its sustainable approach. Mulching those stumps back into the earth? That's how you build a healthy forest for generations to come. There's a saying, do not cut the branch you're sitting on. I think it applies to sitting on a tree trunk too. Luckily, this guy is okay. The solitude, the challenge, the quiet hum of the engine. And that moment when a fellow trucker's lights break through the darkness. It's a reminder you're not alone out there. lumberyard, the L260H is ready for action. It swiftly unloads the logs, marking the end of the workday for the truck drivers. We salute their hard work and dedication. The NTB wood sawing system, a product of Japan, is the industry's fastest twin-band saw. Its pre-log registration feature streamlines automatic cutting, processing logs in an impressive 18.5 seconds. NTB offers a compelling solution for automation and labor efficiency in modern wood mills. The Valtra A124 forestry tractor may look like a cuddly teddy bear, but don't be fooled. This compact machine packs a serious punch. With its fully loaded palms trailer and crane 7.86, the A124 is like a tireless workhorse, effortlessly hauling timber through even the most demanding landscapes. It's a testament to the fact that size isn't everything in the forestry world. Looking for a chipper that really gets the job done? The CBI Chip Max 484 is exactly what you need. It chips wood up to 50% faster than others, and it's perfect for making fuel chips or even microchips from big logs up to 24 inches wide. The best part? You can customize it to fit your needs. If you want something reliable and easy to use, this is it. Well, working with large trees always involves some risks. In this case, the chainsaw got stuck and the engine almost broke down. This emphasizes the importance of being careful and using the right equipment. Can you even picture yourself behind the wheel of a truck loaded with timber, climbing a steep hill? It's like a level out of a video game, but with way higher stakes. These drivers are total pros, taking on wild challenges and making it look easy. What do you think? Masterful skills at work. Who says machines lack soul? In the hands of a skilled operator, a forwarder seems almost alive, battling through mud with resilience and precision. It's a sight to behold. Wow, look at the incredible beauty inside that huge log. Every cut is like nature's brushstroke, showing off how perfect it is. I bet those wood pieces are worth a fortune. And who wouldn't want something made from such beautiful wood? Check out the ALKOLHS 6000. This vertical log splitter is a game changer. It can handle logs up to 1,050 centimeters, even those tough hardwoods. With just one action, it splits the logs into 4 pieces. It's super stable and safe thanks to its wide base. Plus, you can easily move it around because of the built-in wheels. And the best part? You can use it indoors without any emissions. Get ready for something cool. The Cambio 800 is like a supercharged blender, but for logs. It speeds through at 120 meters per minute and handles logs up to 795 millimeters wide. Pretty impressive, right? The carbide tools just cut through bark like it's nothing, and that 75 kilowatt motor keeps it all running perfectly. If you love woodworking, you've got to see this thing in action. There's an old saying, do not cut the branch you're sitting on. It's a metaphor for self-sabotage, and it seems like this guy learned the hard way. Jump! Yeah. Good. You alright? Yeah. You clear? Yeah, good. If you need a tractor that stood the test of time, the Deutz-Fahr D800 is it. Since 1967, it's been a go-to for tough tasks, with forward speeds of 20 kilometers per hour and a reverse speed of 6 kilometers per hour, making it great for jobs like pulling stumps. The mechanical drum brakes ensure you've got control, even in challenging conditions. This machine is a testament to Deutz Cantabrica's long-standing dedication to quality. The Jobo WP50. Woodpecker is a revelation for small-scale forestry operations. It's a versatile powerhouse that handles both delimbing and firewood production with ease. Plus, its low oil consumption makes it a perfect match for older tractors, giving them a new lease on life. Efficiency, versatility, and sustainability. The Jobo WP50 Woodpecker has it all. Can we talk about how awesome that operator was? Seriously, nerves of steel. And that skidder? Beast mode. It's like, give a skilled person the right tools, and they can conquer anything. Introducing the Scania R770V8, a truck that redefines the limits of size and efficiency. Stretching an impressive 34 meters, this vehicle is longer than a blue whale and boasts a gross weight of 98 tons. Designed specifically for the wood chip transport industry, it reduces transport frequency by 30%, providing a significant boost to the Södertälje power plant's operations. Whoa, check out this beast of a machine. This German-made Welte 130K skidder is a total game-changer for logging. It's got a crazy powerful engine and a massive crane that can lift huge logs like it's nothing. The video shows it tackling some seriously tough terrain too. Sure, it's pricey at $126,000, but imagine how much time and effort it would save in the long run. Wow, this machine is blowing my mind. It's so fast and precise, I can't believe it's real. The way the blades move is mesmerizing. I'm so impressed. On slopes like these, felling a centuries-old cedar isn't just logging, it's a high-stakes ballet. Every cut, every wedge, every rope placement is choreographed with precision. One misstep, and the mountainside becomes a stage for tragedy. These aren't just loggers, they're virtuosos of risk and responsibility. I've spent decades in this industry, and the TWF 180 is the most formidable mulcher I've ever encountered. It's engineered like a fortress, operates flawlessly, and yields results that leave clients beaming. Sure, at $36,000, it's an investment, but considering the time and labor it conserves, it's a strategic decision. Witness it conquer that stubborn stump, and you'll grasp its true value. Trees is like a chess match against nature, where you need to anticipate the tree's next move. Tangled branches and wedged trees are like tricky puzzles, requiring careful planning and precise cuts to bring them down safely. And remember, sometimes the smartest move is knowing when to step back and call in reinforcements. Oh, this Belarus EMS 1025 is a real champ. It tackles those tough logging jobs with a smile. Heavy loads, muddy trails, no problem. This tractor's got it all under control. It's like a trusty sidekick, always ready for an adventure. Whoa, hold the phone. This is mind-blowing. That trucker's pulling off some Superman-level stunts? How in the world is he doing that? I'm on the edge of my seat here. Steep inclines present a significant hazard for heavily laden logging vehicles. Navigating such terrain necessitates a highly skilled operator and the utilization of winching equipment to ensure a safe and successful transit.
De la carga era mejor, dice un señor.
Ever seen a log turn into lumber? The R63-5B frame saw is your backstage pass. Picture this, a massive frame, blades lined up like teeth, slicing through wood like butter. It's a powerhouse, once the heart of any sawmill worth its salt. Sure, it's old school now, but trust me, watching it in action, pure magic. I must confess, I'm a bit of a John Deere enthusiast. The sheer power and precision of these machines never ceases to amaze me. From the rumble of the engine to the rhythmic clack of the harvester head, every aspect of their operation is a symphony of efficiency. I could watch them work for hours on end. Any fellow fans out there? Let me know in the comments. Ever tried wrestling a giant log with a handsaw? Not fun, right? Well, the CTR750GX Mobile is here to save the day. It's like a lumberjack on steroids, slicing through 75-centimeter logs like butter. It's so precise, you'll think it has laser vision. And with its powerful petrol engine, it's always ready for action, no matter how remote your workshop. Okay, $17,000 might sound like a lot, but it's cheaper than therapy after a log wrestling mishap. So ditch the chainsaw and embrace the future of woodworking. Your back will thank you. Just a simple pulley system, and a car yanked that stump out like it was nothing. That's the power of physics. Oh my gosh, saw's jammed. Pros know to drop it like it's hot and get out of there. Safety first, right? Better to be safe than sorry. Whoa, that's one heck of a way to deal with those stumps. But seriously, standing that close to the chain? That's a recipe for disaster. It could snap and whip you good any second. While maximizing payload per trip might seem efficient, the hidden costs of overburdening skidders can outweigh the benefits. Increased fuel consumption, wear and tear, and potential safety hazards all contribute to decreased productivity and profitability. Well, in the battle of the big saws, it's a close call. The 395XP packs a bit more punch, but the MS661C is lighter and nimbler. For all-day felling, I'd lean towards the steel, but if you need raw power for milling, the Husky's your beast. And you, what do you think? Oh my gosh, that's terrifying. Hauling timber is seriously tough and risky business. Komatsu's 951XC and C164 are changing the forestry game. The 951XC handles rough terrain with ease, while the C164's precise cutting is next level. Together, they're making logging more efficient and sustainable. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. Cutting a large tree is like defusing a bomb. One wrong move, and there's a blast zone. When a large tree falls, the root ball can act like a loaded spring. Never let anyone stand behind it. A sudden release of tension can send that root ball flying with the force of a wrecking ball. Remember, safety first. A moment of carelessness can lead to a lifetime of regret. Isn't it thrilling to conquer a giant tree on your own? But remember, safety always comes first. No matter how exciting the moment, you need to prioritize your well-being over a fleeting thrill. Stay smart, stay safe. Say goodbye to back-breaking stump removal. The CBI stump shear is a game changer. Its powerful steel jaw and hydraulics make even the toughest stumps look like toothpicks. It's like watching a wood-eating dinosaur in action, and it's so satisfying. If you're serious about clearing land, this is the tool you need. This ripper attachment might not win any beauty contests, but its performance is undeniable. It's a testament to Kobelco's engineering prowess, seamlessly integrating with the SK160's hydraulic system for optimal power and efficiency. Observe the precision with which it penetrates the soil, effortlessly removing roots and stumps. This minimalist tool delivers maximum impact, showcasing the true potential of the SK160 in land clearing operations.
You know, I'll end up breaking this stuff apart before. Oh no, she's coming. That's what I thought. Break it apart. Old, when they're old like that, they'll just break it in a couple pieces, which is good. Shake it out. Nice. Well, catch you guys on the next one. I'm just gonna pile into a nice pile.
Phew, that was a close one. I was worried those big guys were going to take a tumble. Glad everything's okay. Whoa, yanking a tree stump with your truck? That's some serious DIY ambition. Just remember, one wrong move and that cable could turn into a deadly whip. Don't let your weekend project end up on the evening news.
Oh my god. You got it!
A showdown. Man versus tree. They went for the roots, hoping for a lumber jackpot. But oh boy, did they underestimate Mother Nature? I am absolutely blown away by the Komatsu 931. It's a beast on those slopes, and it makes harvesting timber look like a walk in the park. Who else thinks this machine deserves a raise? Holy cow, that was a close call. A leaning tree like that is a major hazard. It's essential to evaluate the risks before trying to take it down, and always use the right methods and tools. This could have ended much worse. Witness the artistry of Japanese woodworking as a sawmill transforms a colossal 300-year-old elm log into flawless planks. The sawyer's expertise is evident, but the saw doctor's meticulous blade preparation ensures precision cuts, reflecting Japan's pursuit of perfection. The resulting planks are a testament to this dedication, their beauty surpassing all expectations. The CAT 323 is more than just a machine. It's a powerhouse that delivers the performance of a seasoned veteran. With its robust digging arm and 172 horsepower CAT C 7.1 engine, it effortlessly conquers even the toughest excavation tasks, tearing through stubborn roots and stumps like they're nothing. This excavator is built to last, ensuring optimal productivity and minimal downtime on any job site. A bus is definitely strong, but a tree is just as stubborn. Pulling a tree with brute force alone is tough, isn't it? Mibor SDH chain saw line is an effective solution for the wood processing industry. With the ability to handle logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter and an output of 150 to 300 cubic meters per 8-hour shift, the system includes the SDH D400 circular saw and the VC 900 DE26 multi-blade saw. Advanced technology ensures precise cutting, improving productivity for medium and large factories. A precariously hanging tree, like a ticking time bomb in the forest canopy, requires immediate action. Its unstable position, caught mid-fall, poses a serious threat. One wrong move could trigger a release of pent-up energy, resulting in disastrous consequences. A skilled arborist, equipped with experience and specialized tools, can safely remove this hazard, minimizing the risk and restoring peace to the woodland. You know, trees are a lot like old houses. They look solid on the outside, but you never know what's going on inside. Sometimes, the heartwood's rotted out, and the whole thing's just waiting for a strong wind to knock it down. That's where these people come in. They make sure those old trees come down safe and sound before they cause any trouble. The John Deere 1710D, a marvel of engineering, is in capable hands here. Observe the operator's precision. No wasted movement, no jerky maneuvers. The machine and logs flow seamlessly, a testament to experience and skill. This is efficiency in action, maximizing productivity while minimizing environmental impact. And that distinctive JD diesel rumble, the soundtrack of a job well done. Get ready to revolutionize your wood chipping operations with the Chipper Truck Cobra, HEM 593 from JENZ. This powerhouse effortlessly handles logs up to a massive 560 millimeters in diameter, while the 180-degree rotating cabin gives you complete control and maneuverability, no matter the job site. Experience the future of wood chipping. Efficiency, power, and flexibility combined. The Croco Log Splitter is a beast. It's built for tough jobs, and boy does it deliver. This one stands out for its sheer power and efficiency. Whether you are preparing firewood or working on a larger project, the Croco doesn't disappoint. It's like watching a croc chomp down on wood. Powerful, smooth, and quick. You'll appreciate how much time and effort this thing saves. Adventure with a small buddy? Why not? In the heart of a busy sawmill, the Wirex CZP3 vertical bandsaw stands as the ultimate symbol of precision and efficiency. With its innovative design and powerful blades, this machine effortlessly converts rough logs into perfectly dimensioned lumber. Equipped with optional features like the chain conveyor and wide clamps, it offers versatility for handling both small and large diameters. Whether cutting on 2 saws for smaller logs or utilizing all 3 for larger ones, the CZP3 adapts seamlessly, making it an ideal choice for facilities that don't sort raw materials. Picture this. The roar of a chainsaw shatters the stillness. A unique scent fills the air, a blend of machine oil and fresh sap. With each bite of the blade into the massive trunk, the sound of wood being severed echoes in your mind. It's a primal scene, isn't it, folks? A towering giant, once a symbol of invincibility, now succumbing. Three minutes. That's all it takes for a lifetime of growth to meet the ground. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the world. Respect for the tree, respect for the lumberjack skill. That's what this video is about. Ever dreamed of turning logs into firewood with the flick of a switch? The Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processor is here to make your dreams a reality. This 125 horsepower electric beast effortlessly slices through logs, leaving you with perfectly sized firewood in no time. Ever seen a tree disappear in seconds? That's the magic of the Woodcracker CS610. This excavator attachment is a beast, effortlessly slicing through trees with its 360-degree rotation and powerful saw. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for tackling urban jungles or storm-ravaged areas. Plus, its smart tech keeps the chain tensioned and the sawbox happy, minimizing downtime. Ready to witness the power of the CS610?